Hi guys, it's Ace of Tech and welcome to this month's PC build. For this build we will be doing a $1,000 black and red themed PC. For this PC I also won't be including email and rebates because I want this build to be strictly based off of what's going to come out of your pocket and not what you're going to receive back later on. Because even with mail rebates, you're still going to have to pay that amount, and you have to wait months and months. Even then, it's not like they give you the actual cash value. They more so give you a gift card based on what manufacturer you get your product from, really. So it's not too helpful. But anyway, I digress. Let's get into the build. So for this build, we're going with the i5 6600K processor, clocked at 3.5 gigahertz. It is one of Intel's Skylake CPUs. It's a quad-core processor, so you'll be getting good frames in your gaming. Because quad-core processors are the norm. You could get an i1-6100, that's a dual-core, but even then that has hyper-threading, so it kind of acts as a quad-core when it needs to be one. So there's that. For the CPU cooler, we're going with the Deepcool Captain 240mm radiator, all-in-one CPU cooler. It's liquid cooled. So this goes with the black and red theme because as you can see here, you got the red accents on the outsides of the fans right here, and also on the CPU cooler part itself, you have the red tubing. For the motherboard, we're going with the Gigabyte GA Z170 XP motherboard. This motherboard is a Z170 motherboard, so you'll be able to overclock your 6600K to 4.5 gigahertz without problems, because that's also where the all-in-one liquid cooler comes in. You don't have to worry about your temperatures getting too high or your shit frying up on you. Just get a better look at it. This is the motherboard. It's mainly black. You have the red accents here, so it goes with the theme. You got 4 DIMM slots. You're able to do 3-way SLI or Crossfire if you want. You have a PCIe 1 slot right here in case you want to add Wi-Fi card to it for all the people who don't have their PCs near their router. Me. But yeah, this should be a good motherboard for you to use. For the memory, we went with the GL Evo Potenza 16GB kit, 2 8GB memory sticks. So you just put that on your motherboard. This is DDR4, clocked at 2133. I know I'm going with the bare minimum clock on Z170 motherboard because Z170 motherboards allow higher clocks. Like you can go, some of them have up to 3,000 plus. But you get this off a Newegg. You can use a 10% off code to get it for $72.99. Just be aware that this code ends on the 8th of December, which is in 4 days at the time of this recording. But good quality memory for you guys. For storage, we went to Seagate FireCooler 1TB hybrid drive. This is a mixture of regular mechanical hard drive and SSD, so you're getting some of that speed in there, as well as the factors of a regular hard drive. $78.89, great price for 1TB. For the video card, we went to MSI Radeon RX 480 8GB Gaming X video card for $255. Again, this goes with the theme. The MSI's cards give it a nice red and black look, along with the LED at the top, even though it doesn't flash red. But for the case, I went with the NZXT S340 case, black and red ATX mid tower case. This is a great tower case to have. I mean, look at that. That's beautiful. As you can see, there's already a PC build in there as an example. So this will definitely help you with your black and red look. You got the red accents inside. And inside, I believe the shroud, not the shroud, but the part where you cover up the cables is red. So that will look good with your PC. For power supply, we went with the Supernova G2 650 watt power supply, A+ Gold certified, fully modular from EVGA for $89.88. This will allow you to overclock without having to worry about what power supply you have. This will give you a lot of headroom So that way, if you want to go 4.5 gigahertz, you can do that. I wouldn't recommend adding in a second RX 48 8 gigabyte to this build with this power supply. The 650 watts is pushing it. You will more so be looking to get a 700 watt power supply or a 750 watt power supply or more to do that. And once we factor in all these together, our total price comes down to be $999.16. So really cutting close right into that $1,000 price range. If you get the PC build after the code ends, you'll be looking to pay $1,008 with shipping. That brings to around $1,009, $1,010. So still in there, but a little bit past it. But you do all this before, you'll definitely get that $1,000 sweet spot. This will be the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I will be doing a PC build for next month, and hopefully I can incorporate some Zen processors in there. I know I'm doing theoretical builds. My channel's not at a point to where I can just actually get the parts and build a PC myself and show it for you guys. Maybe my channel gets to a point where I can do that, then I'll start. But until then, you're looking at theoretical builds. And one more thing, if you're thinking about how much power this thing is taking up, only 357 watts, so this power supply is good for that. But again, don't add in a second video card unless you have 700 watts. But again, that's going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed, be sure to click that like button. If not, well, dislike button is there, but again, be sure to tell me why you disliked it or how I can improve on this video. If not, leave it be, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.